Welcome to From Bits to Microprocessors, a course on digital electronics. What's the purpose of these lessons and what we learn to do? In our course, you learn to build, to use, and to program a microprocessor, and we'll start from scratch, from very simple circuits till quite complicated ones like this one you can see right now on your screen, and I'll introduce to you in a couple of minutes. We want to make our circuits by physically assembling them on a board. We won't weld wires or use power supplies. Instead, we are going to simulate everything using this simulation program, Logisim, which you can see right now, and I'm going to explain you in details in the future next lessons. So, if you are looking for a practical course on circuit assembly, maybe this is not the place or the right place for you. But if you want to learn how computers and microprocessors work, this should be your cup of tea. So, as told, we'll see everything from scratch with little or no requirements or preconditions, except maybe for what is learned in basic math course in high school, like, for example, some basic knowledge about binary numbers. But you don't have to worry too much, because I put, if in future, I put in description of video every material, articles, everything you will need to better understand my lesson. So, and I also promise you to keep my video quite short, just a few minutes of length. So let's jump straight to this circuit you can see right now on the screen. So this circuit is just a quick example to show you the kind of stuff we are going to study and design in this course. You really don't need to fully understand how it works. Don't worry. Take it just as a first taste of what we'll see in details in the future lessons. So here above we have a microprocessor, an electronic component which executes programs. Here we have a memory, a ROM, in which the program itself is contained. And finally, here we have two units for introducing data and display results. In this particular case, the program performs a multiplication between two integer numbers. I'm going to simulate the program so you can see how it works. I'm going to introduce the two numbers using binary notation. The first number is number 2, and push this button. Then I introduce the second number is number 3 and push the button here, and then I will see after a few seconds the result of the multiplication. The product is 6, display here. So the program is working. Now what is particularly interesting, we can take a look inside our microprocessor, which is completely constructed using Logisim and basic units. So this is the kind of stuff we are going to study in our course. You see, it's quite complicated, but you don't have to worry too much. We'll see in the next lessons, and bye for now.